Totpole zone. What is the bird doing? The bird is flying. What is the man doing? The man is walking. What is the girl doing? The girl is eating. What is the boy doing? The boy is reading. What is the teacher doing? The teacher is teaching. What is the girl doing? The girl is skipping. What is the lady doing? The lady is clapping. What are the men doing? The men are dancing. What is the man doing? The man is chopping. What is the shark doing? The shark is swimming. What is the child doing? The child is brushing. What is the woman doing? The woman is washing. What is the man doing? The man is sleeping. What is the lady doing? The lady is cleaning. What is the dog doing? The dog is barking. What is the child doing? The child is sliding. What is the girl doing? The girl is riding. What is the man doing? The man is cooking. What is the boy doing? The boy is rowing. What is the boy doing? The boy is skating. What is the man doing? The man is working. What is the girl doing? The girl is mopping. What is the man doing? The man is bathing. What is the woman doing? The woman is combing. What is the boy doing? The boy is stretching. What is the rabbit doing? The rabbit is hopping. What is the man doing? The man is drinking. What is the lady doing? The lady is meditating. What is the man doing? The man is pushing. What is the woman doing? The woman is singing. What is the man doing? The man is driving. Totpole zone.